Good day, mabuhay. My name is Gerald J. N. Magrado, and I learned about our topic is unconscious bias, packaging, hidden prejudice is implicit association, automatic, often unintentional mental shortcuts influencing our perceptions and decisions. Affect hiring can lead basis candidate selections and limited diversity in recruitment. Shape interaction, can create conclusionary environment and hinder effective teamwork. Impact promotion, influence career progressions and opportunities for professional growth.